Okay, Barbara, first what we have to do is make our own mayonnaise. So I've shown you the ingredients, and we just mix all the ingredients here. First, the pepper, the sugar, and the salt. And then you have to put what? Lemon juice or calamansi juice. 4 tablespoons, teaspoon. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then you put some mustard. 2 teaspoon of mustard. 2 teaspoon. Okay, this already measured. 2 teaspoon. Okay, there. And then you have to put last the egg. Okay, the egg here. 1, 2 eggs. And then put some oil. You can use any type of oil. Here I'm using the palm oil. Okay, you just mix it. See how fast it is? Just mix like this. You will use about 3 to 4 cups. So now I have my own mayonnaise, homemade. You see? That's our homemade mayonnaise. See how fast it is? It's less than 1 minute, okay? You can make mayonnaise in less than 1 minute. You see? Mayonnaise. And then, now, we're going to use this, our drained tuna. Put it here in a container, clean and dry. You see? Put it there. And a little bit salt, pinch of salt, and pinch of pepper. Okay, and 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 onion. Okay. Then we will use our mayonnaise. Okay, sorry for the interruptions. So now we have to take our mixture of tuna and onion and garlic, and we will use our own homemade mayonnaise to make a tuna spread. This is very good. You see, and then we just have to mix it like this, and then now you have a tuna spread. Thanks for watching my video. This is for you, Barbara, my European friend. This is for you. This is your request. Our homemade tuna spread. Now, what are we going to do with the rest of our mayonnaise? we're going to make an egg spread, you know, egg sandwich spread. We just mix this egg yolk that we boiled, hard boiled, and then we are going to mix onion and the white egg whites that is boiled. We just have to chop it, okay, roughly chop. Okay, now we have an egg spread, egg sandwich spread. Now we have this egg sandwich spread. You see? Now we have used up all our mayonnaise for spreads. Okay? Thank you for watching this video.